Hello there. Welcome to An Architect Goes to Law School. Today in Legislation and Regulation class, we'll be talking about regulations such as zoning codes. One of the first steps in a design and construction project is to determine whether the desired building can be built on a specific property. Zoning laws and regulations limit what types of buildings can be built in certain locations in a particular municipality and may provide limitations on the building design itself. These laws are based on the police power of the states to regulate for the benefit of the health, safety, and welfare of the public. As stated by the Supreme Court of Minnesota when discussing zoning laws, quote, where they bear no relationship to such interests, where they are discriminatory or rest upon intent to protect enterprises from competition or create monopolies within certain areas, or where they are enacted primarily in adherence to aesthetic concepts of municipal planning commission, they will be held invalid, end quote. While architects don't usually participate in the site selection process, it's still important to know that zoning laws determine for what purposes a property can be used. This may be based on the municipality's master plan that shows zoning districts. If a project owner wants to engage in a rezoning process or get a variance for a project, an architect may help in those efforts. This may involve presentations and negotiations in front of planning and zoning commissions and possibly city councils. Architects may also help project owners procure a conditional or special use permit. Architects might create preliminary designs for the building, exterior elevations to show massing and material types and colors to show the commission and city council. Because every municipality has its own zoning ordinance and map, it's an obvious best practice to research them before engaging in any rezoning or variance work. If an architect is going to engage in these rezoning activities, the work to be undertaken should be described in the owner-architect agreement. As a best practice, an architect's design contract should not include results, guaranteed or not, just the efforts and actions of the architect. Common zoning types include agricultural, commercial, light, medium, and heavy industrial, office, single-family residential, and multifamily residential. Historic districts may have special requirements for what renovation and new construction work can be done there. For very tall buildings, zoning laws may require step-backs at upper floors dictating building massing. Feel free to comment, ask questions, and suggest topics you'd like me to discuss. Next up, we'll continue talking about building codes. Thank you for watching An Architect Goes to Law School.